Alright, YouTubers. The RV's mostly clean. That's the pantry. But it's empty. There's like almost nothing in here. So what I figured I would do is I would show you it empty. All the stuff's out of there. All the stuff's out of there. And there's one sweatshirt in there, a pair of binoculars. That's pretty much empty. That's my solar panel's gonna be in there. I had one heater in there and I can't possibly believe I'm gonna need it. But hell, you never know. So I might leave it in there, I'll decide. Fridge is empty. You clean that out. Make sure what I want to take. And then I emptied all this out and reorganized it. So yeah, we'll show you some more. And I'll put this back in. That's done. There's nothing really under here but the tools. And this is basically empty. I'll show you more later when there's some light. Alright, something I'm going to do. That's my table there. I'm going to leave that one, even though in all the time I've had it, there's my other one. I think I've used these things once, but I'm going to take the big table out. Alright, more of the packing stuff. Cat tent. This is a new, different camp chair that I'm taking this time. I've had it forever and haven't used it. A small little portable camp stool for the grill. Hickory chips to put on the grill and fire starters. Alright, here's some more stuff that's going to go in. Drinking hose up there. This is a good quality extension cord. It was actually my uncle's. He loaned it to me. I adopted it. But I don't feel guilty because I gave him a car a while back, so I think he won. This is another extension cord, thrift store. Baseball glove, you gotta take a glove just in case. Water, even though I don't drink the water out of it, I do use it when I fill up the tanks. I'm gonna have to get another one. I gave one away at the last campground I was at. They forgot theirs. And some jumper cables, just in case. Even though I have the Duracell battery pack that will jump it, it's always good to take some jumper cables. So these go in here. And in there already, those are my noodles. I've shown these before. Swimming noodles, I just cut a slit in them, and they fit around the awning poles. And if you've ever banged your head, these are awesome to put on your awning poles. I usually take way too much stuff along, so this trip I'm actually going to try to pare stuff down a little bit, use a little bit less stuff. Alright, let's talk about clothes. Okay, I'm admitting I take way too many clothes. I use the Save the Planet bags. A lot of them are free at RV shows and stuff like that, and I color coordinate them. So I got to remember this black bag this time as it goes up. This is all shorts. Fits up in this compartment. Next, the orange bag. What's in the orange bag? Red shirts, red t-shirts. This green bag here. What's in the green bag? All those kind of dry fit shirts. You know, if you get sweating, those good shirts that get the sweat off you. I like to take those in the summer. Those go up. The blue bag are other t-shirts. Again, I take a lot of clothes. I probably got enough clothes for 3 weeks without doing laundry. The white bag, white t-shirts. So, there we go. And we'll move you. If you look up there, you can there's still room. So I am not one of those RVers that wears 5 t-shirts. Not that there's anything wrong with those as long as you wash them. I'm one of those that take way too many clothes. But even in this one compartment, you could get 2 people's clothes in there if you take less clothes and you make sure to do laundry more often. I don't know. I just always take too many clothes. And I have too many clothes. But as you look up in here, there's still a lot of room in that compartment. And again, I like these bags because I just fold the t-shirts in thirds, and then instead of trying to stack them in this compartment and have them fall everywhere, I take the bag out with what I think I want to wear, I get a shirt out, and then I put it back in and put it back up, and it doesn't create a mess. Because I am not an organized person by nature, and I have to do things to try. I know oftentimes it looks like I keep this RV really, really clean. Trust me, it gets messy. But those are ideas. More packing to do. Alright, what's in the back end? Well, there's my Char-Broil grill to go. It fits under here. There's my shop vac for sanity. That down there is, you've probably seen that I put waterproof covers over my seats just in case cat stuff. So those are in a space bag, suck the air out. Cat litter, some tools, small little 12-volt air pump, and the other stuff I had shown you before. Tools back there. Alright, the bed's mostly made. In here, I got a backpack. These are shoes. There's food down there, potatoes, 5 gallons of drinking water, some tea. In here, we got food is filled in there now. The back is packed up with, there's this like a pullover sweatshirt kind of thing. Extra sheets are back there. Bag full of junk and some water gears back in there. Rain gear. It's getting filled up. We're getting there. Alright, YouTubers, here's a little thing I wanted to show. That piece right there is the same stuff that's on my floor. It's foam pad. And I had a problem of the door rattling here on this seatbelt thing, because that's what that is. So I just used that same kind of putty that you hang things on the wall with. And voila, the foam means no more rattle. It's so nice. Something easy. Storm's coming. Of course the storm's coming. I'm getting ready to go. Alright, under the bed, over there where I'm shining the light, that is a bag full of kitchen stuff. A little bit of food, but mostly utensils, all that kind of stuff. Under there, that bag stuck in that little cubby, that's all the cat stuff. All the cat food. Alright, so I hope that kind of helps a little bit. Shows the kind of stuff I lug along on a trip in my Class B. The trip is ready to get started. I gotta finish loading up so I can get on the road. I'll probably do some ramble while I'm driving. Going west. When I know where I'm going, I'll tell you where I was. Alright, YouTubers, have a great and a wonderful day.